Welcome back to Car Crazy 295. The 1940 Chevrolet Coupe stands as one of the most unforgettable cars of the golden pre-war era, a machine that represents the moment when American automotive design began to move away from sharp boxy lines and toward smooth, flowing, and truly modern styling. When Chevrolet revealed the 1940 Coupe, the world was already changing rapidly, and this car arrived at a time when people were craving comfort, style, and reliability. It was a symbol of optimism, of progress, and of a future driven by steel, chrome, and engineering ambition. The long sweeping fenders, the tall yet elegant grille, and the perfectly balanced proportions gave this coupe a presence that felt premium but still reachable for everyday Americans. Even today, collectors and classic car fans consider it one of the most beautiful Chevrolets ever made, a true rolling sculpture that carries history in every curve. Under the hood, the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe carried the famous 216.5 cubic inch inline-six engine, often referred to as the Stovebolt 6. This engine produced around 85 horsepower, which at the time was more than enough to provide smooth cruising and dependable performance. What truly set this engine apart was its reputation for reliability. Chevrolet had built a name for itself by creating engines that were simple, durable, and easy to maintain, and the 1940 Coupe was no exception. Owners loved how the engine started easily, ran smoothly, and handled long trips without complaint. In an era when breakdowns were common, Chevrolet offered peace of mind, and that trust helped cement the brand's dominance across America. The transmission options for the 1940 Coupe included a 3-speed manual gearbox that delivered power to the rear wheels. The driving experience was mechanical and connected, with every shift feeling deliberate and engaging. Steering was heavy by modern standards, yet it gave the driver a sense of control and connection to the road. The suspension system, featuring a solid front axle and leaf springs, was designed for durability and comfort, absorbing rough roads while maintaining stability. This made the car suitable for city streets, country highways, and everything in between. Chevrolet engineers focused on making a car that could handle real-world conditions, and that practical mindset paid off. Inside the cabin, the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe offered a surprisingly refined environment for its time. The dashboard was clean and symmetrical, with large gauges that were easy to read at a glance. Chrome accents and painted metal surfaces reflected light beautifully, giving the interior a premium feel. The bench seat was wide and comfortable, designed for long journeys without fatigue. While luxury features were limited compared to modern cars, the 1940 Coupe still felt advanced, with options like a radio, heater, and improved ventilation systems. For many families, this car represented their first taste of modern comfort on the road. The exterior design of the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe is what truly makes it legendary. The front grille was bold and vertically oriented, framed by elegant chrome details that gave the car a commanding presence. The headlights were integrated smoothly into the fenders, creating a seamless and aerodynamic look. The long hood flowed gracefully into the windshield, while the sloping roofline gave the coupe a sporty and stylish silhouette. From every angle, the car looked balanced and purposeful. This design language would influence Chevrolet for years to come, marking a turning point in the brand's visual identity. During its release, the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe competed with cars from Ford, Plymouth, and other major manufacturers. Yet it managed to stand out thanks to its combination of style, affordability, and dependability. Chevrolet priced the coupe competitively, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. This strategy helped Chevrolet sell hundreds of thousands of vehicles in 1940, strengthening its position as one of the leading automotive brands in America. The coupe became a common sight on roads across the country, serving families, workers, and travelers alike. As the years passed, the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe gained a second life in the hot rod and custom car scene. Enthusiasts saw its smooth body lines as the perfect canvas for modification. Many were lowered, chopped, and fitted with more powerful engines. The coupe's timeless design made it a favorite among builders who wanted to blend classic style with modern performance. From drag strips to car shows, the 1940 Coupe became a star, celebrated for its adaptability and visual appeal. This ongoing popularity proves that great design never truly goes out of style. In today's classic car market, the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe is highly sought after. Restored examples can command impressive prices, especially those that maintain original features or showcase high-quality custom work. Collectors value this model not just for its beauty, but for its historical significance. It represents a pivotal moment in automotive history, a bridge between the early days of motoring and the streamlined future that followed. Owning one is like owning a piece of living history, a reminder of a time when cars were built with character and soul. Recent updates in the classic car community have only increased interest in the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe. Restoration shops continued to showcase breathtaking builds, blending original design with modern technology such as disc brakes, updated suspensions, and fuel-injected engines. These upgrades allow the car to perform safely and reliably on today's roads while preserving its vintage charm. Social media platforms and classic car auctions regularly feature stunning examples, keeping the legacy of this coupe alive for new generations of enthusiasts. The emotional connection people feel toward the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe is powerful. It reminds many of their grandparents, of old photographs, of stories from a different era. It symbolizes a time when the automobile was more than just transportation, it was freedom, opportunity, and hope. Every restored coupe tells a story, every original part carries memories, and every mile driven honors the past. This is why the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe continues to inspire passion and admiration, even more than 8 decades after it first rolled off the assembly line. As technology advances and modern cars become more complex, the simplicity of the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe feels refreshing. There are no computers, no screens, no electronic systems controlling every movement. Instead, there is pure mechanical craftsmanship, a direct connection between driver and machine. This simplicity is part of its magic, reminding us of a time when engineering was honest and design was driven by artistry rather than algorithms. The 1940 Chevrolet Coupe is not just a car, it is a symbol of an era, a masterpiece of design, and a legend that continues to shine in the world of classic automobiles. Its story is one of innovation, resilience, and timeless beauty. From dusty barns to polished showrooms, from quiet garages to roaring highways, this coupe continues to capture hearts and turn heads. And as long as there are people who love classic cars, the legacy of the 1940 Chevrolet Coupe will live on, proudly carrying the spirit of a